Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog toothbrushes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the PetSmile Professional Cat and Dog Toothbrush. The PetSmile Professional Dog Toothbrush is a dual-sided brush with uniquely shaped bristles, set at a 45-degree angle for easier brushing. Each brush head is set on an angled, dual-sided brush handle. For smaller dogs, there's a bristle on the opposite end of the texture-gripped handle, though it's still a little too large for toy dog breeds and puppies. The bristles themselves are soft, which is most useful for scrubbing dog teeth. PetSmile is also the maker of the only dog toothpaste certified by the Veterinary Oral Health Council, an organization formed in the 90s by the American Veterinary Dental Society to recognize products with a scientifically validated ability to slow plaque and tartar development. The VOHC seal of acceptance is only offered to products after review of trial data, according to stringent protocols. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Virbac Oral Hygiene Kit. For an all-in-one complete dental cleaning session for your pup, consider buying a kit that comes with at least a toothbrush and toothpaste, like this veterinarian-approved option from Virbac. The included toothbrush has dual brush heads of different sizes to accommodate small or large mouths, and you can also use either side on larger and smaller teeth. It also has soft bristles and an angled handle for a comfortable grip. And while you can't pick the exact color, the toothbrush will come in either green, purple, blue, or orange. Meanwhile, the included toothpaste has a poultry flavor to appeal to your pet. If your pet doesn't like it, the brand does offer other flavors sold separately. The toothpaste formula is made with a strong enzyme system and is more abrasive than other options, so it effectively cleans your dog or cat's teeth and freshens their breath. While it is a bit pricier than other options on this list, we love that it comes with everything you need to keep your dog's mouth clean and healthy. At number 3, we have the Vet's Best Dog Toothbrush and Toothpaste Kit. The 3-headed brush on the Vet's Best Dog Toothbrush has bristles designed to wrap around a canine's tooth, getting all sides properly cleaned and scrubbed. It's got a rubberized grip for easy handling and is suitable for most medium-sized dog breeds. If you buy through Amazon, there's also an included finger brush that lets you go in with a bit more control. The included toothpaste contains enzymes and natural ingredients designed for cleaning away plaque and tartar like neem oil, grapefruit seed extract, aloe, and baking soda. At number 2, we have the Pet Republique Dog Toothbrush. If you brush your dog's teeth every day, the bristles on the top will eventually wear out and you'll need to replace them. Getting a multi-pack, like this offering from Pet Republique, allows you to make sure that you don't just run out one day with nothing to use. Each brush has 2 bristles, a smaller and larger one on each side of the handle, designed to attack plaque and tartar. Longer ends can reach the back of your dog's mouth, while the smaller is perfect for polishing the sharper teeth in front. And finally, at number 1, we have the Arm & Hammer Tartar Control Toothbrush and Cover. Many small breed dogs, including Yorkshire Terriers, Dachshunds, and Chihuahuas, are prone to periodontal disease and tooth loss, which makes their dental care even more important. Point 2, however, you won't be able to brush their teeth with a giant brush. So look for one specifically made for smaller breeds like this one from Arm & Hammer. As you would expect, the single-headed brush is shorter to give you a better grip, and the head is smaller, too, so you can better reach all the nooks and crannies of their mouth where tartar likes to hide. Unlike other options, it only comes in one color, so you may need to label it if you have more than one pet. The bristles are infused with baking soda to lightly freshen their breath, and they're extra soft, too. It also comes with a convenient cover that is easy to snap on between brushings or when you plan to travel with your dog. Unfortunately, this product is not advertised as vet recommended, but like other products from this trusted household brand, it's very affordable, making it easy to replace when you need to get a new one.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.